What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be putting some custom emblem overlays on Gengar, my Focus ST. Let's get right into it. Alright, so today we have both Ford emblems in Galaxy, both ST emblems for the hatch for the front grille, and then the steering wheel Ford emblem, all done in Galaxy, guys. You know I'm doing Gengar in the Galaxy look. Guys, if you're curious where I got these from the Decal Studio. Her name's Shannon. She has an awesome Etsy store. I'll link her Instagram and Etsy store in the description box below. Guys, if you're needing some custom emblem overlays, don't hesitate. Reach out to her, message her, tell her I sent you. Guys, these are incredible quality. And I'm very pumped to get these installed onto Gengar. So guys, with that being said, let's get right into this install. For those of you that don't know, and actually I just posted a picture on Instagram. I haven't really, I didn't do a video on this, but I already have a purple overlay on the front. And I really like the way it turned out. But if you get close enough, you can still see some red right here. So I really want to take my time and put these new ones on. I also installed it's kind of hard to see. Okay, that picks up really good actually. So I installed this already too, but this purple is just way too dark. So the first thing we're going to do is get this old stuff off. Now, I ordered these just off of eBay. I don't know who made these, but there's nothing wrong with either one of them. Actually, on the front grille, I thought I ordered a front grille and a rear hatch emblem, but it was just two of the front grille. So I was kind of disappointed in that. You know, I was wanting the rear hatch and the front grille, or honestly I would have probably left it alone. But when I found Shannon in her Etsy store, that Decal Studio, she offered the Ford emblems too, and we got to talking, and she had one Galaxy, which I was just going to go ahead and go with. It wasn't as purple as I wanted it to be. But we ended up getting to talk, and I showed her my engine cover, and she actually ordered vinyl that matched my engine cover better than the stuff she already had. So guys, not only does she provide excellent customer service on getting you exactly what she wants, but you know, she's very friendly, and she will listen to what you want, and she will do whatever she can to provide that color-wise on the vinyl you end up choosing. This is going to be a bigger pain to get off than I thought, so I'm going to take off this in the front grille, and then I'll get back with you all when we start installing these new ones. Alright, thanks to Goo Gone, that is all gone now. That eBay sticker stuck a lot harder than I thought it was going to. It just mainly got around the edges, but it's all smooth now. I will come back and clean this with some rubbing alcohol before I install the new one. I'm also going to show you guys the difference in the purple between the Galaxy and that one that I got off of eBay. Alright, so here's the Galaxy purple. See, this is more the purple I'm going for. And this eBay one, it was just real, like a dark purple. So, just want to show you the differences of those. Alright guys, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to clean the emblems with some alcohol. Now, I have installed a lot of vinyl and decal stickers over the years. I actually used to have my own sign shop about 10 years ago. But anyways, I was debating on whether I should do the soap and water method on putting this on, or just kind of looking at it and sticking it. So I think I'm going to try to aim and stick them since it's winter here currently in Kentucky. It's a little bit colder. If I do the water and soap trick, it'll take days to dry. And I'm really curious to see what it looks like, right away. So I think I'm just gonna try to aim and stick these and do the best I can. If worse comes to worse, I can always hit up that decal studio and just order some more of these. Because guys, these were pretty cheap. I think for all 5 emblems, shipped and all, it was like $21. So, I mean, that's good pricing. I mean, I think off eBay, I paid just $12 for just the steering wheel emblem that I didn't even end up liking. And then I think I paid $12 for 2 front grille ST overlays, just to give you the price difference. I mean, I got all 5 for way cheaper, and this vinyl material seems really nice too. So, yeah, we're just going to, I think we're just gonna go for it. Just gonna do a little aim and stick action. Man, I'm really excited. Yeah, when I ordered those other ones off of eBay, I was really pumped because I really like the back hatch. And I was really looking forward to getting this one done. And then when it when it didn't come with one, I was pretty disappointed. So, clean the whole thing with some alcohol. Give it the old dry action. Now, if I think I'm gonna mess these up, I'm just gonna do the long process, which is watering it down with soap and water. I don't wanna do it that way, but if I feel like I'm gonna mess these up, I will. But for the sake of the video, I hope I can just get it. So there's a little red showing right here, but I just put the top of it up too high. So I'm gonna try to scoot it back down. All right, guys, I have it on in pretty good position. I mean, there's minimal red showing, which nothing's going to be exactly perfect, but I mean, there is just, I mean, you really have to get down here and look to see any kind of red. Since it's winter, I'm going to just take a heat gun over it just to make sure it sticks really well. Guys, this looks awesome. I mean, it looks absolutely incredible. Since I heated it up, I mean, there's only a smidgen of red, and I mean, you really have to be looking for it to see it. But guys, that looks absolutely insane. I'm super pumped. I'm gonna apply a little bit more heat to this. I just really want these to stick because I do plan on going on a short test drive after this. But guys, let's move on to the Ford emblem on the hatch. And guys, I just hope all these lay down just as perfect as this one did. All right, now we're gonna try to do the hatch Ford logo emblem. So like I said, just a little bit of rubbing alcohol on a rag. Man, that ST looks good. Like, that's literally the main one I was waiting on. So I just want to go ahead and say, if you lay these down, they are pretty forgiving. So you can I take my X-Acto knife, you can kind of pick up if you're gentle and you won't stretch the vinyl, and you can kind of pull it up and put it back into place. So I actually don't think soap and water for this installation I actually think it would end up making it more difficult. So let's send it. So on this one, I actually got it just a hair off of center, like it's kind of down and to the right a little bit, but I just went ahead and stuck it anyways because there was literally no chrome showing, and I love the way it looks. So the off center's my fault, but I'm pretty OCD and I can still live with it. Just looking at it, I really like it, so I'm just leaving it. It's kind of crazy on camera from right here. It just looks like a regular Ford emblem, but in person you can really see the Galaxy. On the camera, you got to get up on it about right here. All right, guys, super pumped with how this is turning out so far. I know I got that one just down and to the right a little bit, but I ain't worried about it, and I'm pretty OCD, so we're going to send it. I think it looks awesome. Maybe at a later date, I can just order another one of those. It ain't no big deal. I can see how long that'll last, and then the next one I can do, get it on a little bit more straight. But I actually think it looks really good, so we're going to run with it. So, guys, let's move on to the steering wheel emblem now. All right. I did not film installing this one because there was really no good way to do it. But there is the steering wheel one. I think it turned out pretty awesome. If it'll focus. Boom. Alright guys, now we're going to do the front Ford emblem. A lot of this will be sped up because it's basically the same as the rear. So that one turned out better than the rear, honestly. Heck yeah. Alright guys, we're on to the final emblem, which is the front grille ST. So I'm just going to kind of set you all up and get it done. Alright guys, let's flip you around and show you the last one. Man, that looks good, guys. I am pumped for these. Alright guys, that's where this video is going to end. Guys, if you need some emblem overlays for your Focus ST or Fiesta ST, make sure you visit that decal studio. I will link her Instagram and Etsy page in the description box below. Guys, make sure you visit pandamotorworks.com. It's getting colder out. Make sure you go grab yourself a hoodie. Use code BLewis. You can save yourself some money. Also, check out all the Amazon links in the description box below. Click and purchase anything at no extra charge to you. It does help the channel out. Guys, make sure you're following us on TikTok and Instagram. We always do sneak peek posts before we actually put a video on the channel. So make sure you're following us on our social medias. Guys, make sure you're subscribed. That is the best way to help this channel out. Most of you watching the videos are not subscribed. Guys, it takes 2 seconds. Please, if you could subscribe, that would mean the world to us. Also, click the bell on so you get all the notifications. Guys, until next time.